Hi, Pauric here, McNally Motors. Today I want to show you on our 2023 Toyota Corolla hatchback. This is the hybrid Lune Sport model, finished in red pearlescent paint. It's got a black bi-tone roof. It's got low annual road tax, it's got a full Toyota service history, and it's hold a 12 months warranty and roadside assistance. Now, we took the features the car has to offer. It's got front fog lights as standard, with daytime running lights, 17-inch diamond cut multi-spoke alloys, excellent tyres all around. It's got fold-in wing mirrors, tinted privacy glass. Got a good spacious boot for a hatchback with fold down seats for additional space. It's got the Isofix for the car seats on both sides and the rear. It's finished in a navy and grey half leather interior with leather armrest, electric windows and mirrors, automatic headlights, keyless start, multifunction steering wheel with built-in radio, phone and cruise control functions, touchscreen radio with built-in Bluetooth. It's got the Android Auto and Apple CarPlay for your maps. It's got the reversing camera. It's got the air conditioning with dual climate control, USB port, automatic handbrake, automatic gearbox with the hill start assist, car SOS function, and there's 89,691 kilometers in the clock. Here at McNally Motors, we can offer a wide range of finance options on this Corolla hatchback to suit your needs. So please give us a call on 043 33 45621. Visit our website www.mcnallymotors.ie where you can view this car. You can also book a test drive. Thanks for watching.